One option for those of you that want to do some basic graphing and are Mac people is a great program that I've had for the last couple of years, loved it, use it a lot. It's called Omni GraphSketcher. Unfortunately, the Omni group, the folks up in the Pacific Northwest that created this great program, decided that this program was no longer in their business model, and so they've ceased to produce it. However, they released the code into the wild, and it's become open source. It's now known as GraphSketcher, and you can get this for free now, as opposed to the $14 they used to charge. It's available at GitHub. That was for the first public release of this open source version was in early 2014, and in the early part of the summer of 2014 they've released version, what they call GraphSketcher version 2.0, and you can go to this website and get it. This is what the GitHub website looks like. Most of you are probably not into coding or programming, so you can just scroll down here. If you just you can just search GitHub and GraphSketcher, but you want to go down to the releases page and just go ahead and download the newest version. The version I'm running right here is the original paid version. It does not differ in any significant way right now from the open source version. It's all very copy and paste, plug and play, very obvious, very graphical, user interface-y. And we can just copy a couple columns from an Excel sheet, for example, and paste them in, and everything is changeable, everything is conformable. To give you an idea of the kind of graphs you can do, here is a Scatterplot. Again, all this stuff is changeable, colors, symbol size, etc. What is this? This is a parasite inside some sand crabs that we've been looking at in our sandy beach work. So you can do you can do scatter plots, you can do bar graphs, etc., etc., and you can port this out in a multiple of formats, PDF, JPEG, EPS, etc. It's a wonderful program. What I used to call Omni GraphSketcher now is known as GraphSketcher, a wonderful tool if you do have a Mac and want to do some graphing. So check it out.